Have you ever wondered what space sounds like? In the vast emptiness of the cosmos, there's no air to carry sound. But thanks to radio waves and data from telescopes, we can hear the eerie music of the universe. The Helix Nebula, often called the Eye of God, emits ghostly frequencies that feel almost alive. The Vela pulsar, a rapidly spinning neutron star, sends out rhythmic, haunting beats like a cosmic drum. Pogue's object, a mysterious ring galaxy, whispers strange signals from deep space. While the so-called silence of interstellar space is anything but quiet. When black holes collide, they send out gravitational waves that ripple through space and time, creating deep, unsettling vibrations. The explosion of supernova 1987A echoes like a distant roar. While neutron stars colliding release high-pitched, otherworldly chirps. The powerful energy from a quasar, one of the brightest objects in the universe, roars like an unstoppable storm. And finally, the sound of the Big Bang, the birth of everything, captures the very first vibrations of the cosmos. Space is terrifying, beautiful, and full of mysteries. Want to hear more? Subscribe for more mind-blowing space discoveries.